Choosing the right CRM software is a crucial decision for any business aiming to improve customer relationships and streamline operations. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the choices. That's why it's essential to ask the right questions before making a purchase. In this video, we'll walk you through the most important questions to ask vendors before buying CRM software, helping you make an informed and confident decision. Let's start by understanding why these questions matter and how they can impact your business in the long run. Before you even approach a vendor, it's important to clearly define your business needs. Consider what you want to achieve with a CRM system. Are you looking to improve sales tracking, enhance customer service, or automate marketing tasks? Understanding your goals will help you ask targeted questions and evaluate whether a vendor's solution aligns with your objectives. This clarity will also prevent you from being swayed by unnecessary features or sales pitches that don't serve your core requirements. One of the first questions to ask a CRM vendor is about their experience in your specific industry. A vendor with a proven track record in your field will better understand your challenges and requirements. Ask for case studies or references from similar businesses. This will give you confidence that the CRM can handle your unique workflows and compliance needs, and that the vendor is familiar with industry-specific best practices. Every business has unique processes, so it's important to ask about the core features of the CRM and how customizable they are. Find out if the software can be tailored to fit your workflows, data fields, and reporting needs. Ask vendors to demonstrate how their CRM adapts to different business models. This ensures you won't outgrow the system as your business evolves, and you'll avoid costly workarounds in the future. A CRM rarely operates in isolation. It needs to integrate smoothly with your existing tools, such as email platforms, accounting software, and marketing automation systems. Ask vendors which integrations are supported out of the box and whether custom integrations are possible. Understanding integration capabilities will help you avoid data silos and ensure seamless workflows across your organization. A CRM system should be easy to use for everyone on your team. Ask vendors to provide a demo or trial so you can evaluate the user interface and overall experience. Is the software intuitive? Can users quickly find the features they need? A user-friendly CRM will boost adoption rates and reduce the need for extensive training, saving your business time and resources. In today's fast-paced world, your team may need to access the CRM on the go. Ask vendors about mobile accessibility. Is there a dedicated mobile app? How does it compare to the desktop version? Make sure the mobile experience is robust and supports all essential features so your team can stay productive from anywhere. Protecting your customer data is non-negotiable. Ask vendors about their security protocols, data encryption methods, and compliance with regulations like GDPR or CCPA. Find out where your data will be stored and who has access to it. A trustworthy CRM vendor should be transparent about their security measures and provide documentation to back up their claims. Different team members may need different levels of access to the CRM. Ask vendors how their system handles user roles and permissions. Can you easily set up custom roles? Is it possible to restrict access to sensitive data? Understanding these controls will help you maintain security and ensure that users only see the information relevant to their roles. Migrating data from your old system to a new CRM can be a complex process. Ask vendors what support they offer for data migration. Will they assist with importing contacts, notes, and historical data? Are there tools or services to help ensure a smooth transition? Understanding the migration process upfront can prevent data loss and minimize downtime during implementation. A successful CRM implementation depends on how well your team is trained. Ask vendors about their onboarding process. Do they offer training sessions, tutorials, or documentation? Is there ongoing support for new hires? Comprehensive training resources will help your team get up to speed quickly and make the most of the CRM's features. Reliable customer support is essential, especially during the early stages of CRM adoption. Ask vendors about their support channels and response times. Is support available 24/7? Can you reach them via phone, email, or chat? Knowing what to expect in terms of support will give you peace of mind and ensure help is available when you need it most. A CRM system should be fast and reliable. Ask vendors about their system uptime, performance benchmarks, and how they handle outages. Request information on their service level agreements, SLAs, and what compensation is offered in case of downtime. Reliable performance is key to maintaining productivity and avoiding disruptions to your business. Your business may grow, and your CRM should be able to grow with you. Ask vendors about scalability. Can the system handle more users, data, and advanced features as your business expands? Are there limitations or extra costs for scaling up? Choosing a scalable CRM ensures you won't need to switch systems as your needs evolve. Understanding the pricing structure is critical. Ask vendors for a detailed breakdown of costs, including setup fees, monthly or annual subscriptions, and any additional charges for premium features or support. Clarify what's included in each pricing tier and whether there are hidden costs. This transparency will help you budget accurately and avoid surprises down the line. Before signing any agreement, review the contract terms carefully. Ask vendors about contract length, renewal policies, and cancellation options. Is there a trial period or money-back guarantee? Understanding the flexibility of the contract will help you avoid being locked into a solution that may not meet your needs in the future. Technology evolves rapidly, and your CRM should keep up. Ask vendors how often they release updates and what's included in each upgrade. Are updates automatic, or do they require manual intervention? Understanding the update policy ensures your system stays current with new features and security enhancements. Many businesses rely on a variety of third-party tools. Ask vendors which third-party integrations are available and how easy it is to connect them to the CRM. Are there pre-built connectors? Or will you need custom development? This information will help you ensure your CRM fits seamlessly into your existing technology stack. Data-driven decisions are key to business success. Ask vendors about the reporting and analytics capabilities of their CRM. Can you create custom reports? Are dashboards easy to use and understand? Robust analytics will help you track performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions for your business. Automation can save your team time and reduce manual errors. Ask vendors about the automation features available in their CRM. Can you automate tasks like lead assignment, follow-up emails, or workflow approvals? Understanding automation capabilities will help you streamline processes and boost productivity. Some businesses require advanced customization beyond standard features. Ask vendors if their CRM allows for custom modules, fields, or integrations. Can you modify the user interface or add new functionalities? Advanced customization ensures the CRM can adapt to your unique business processes as they evolve. If you have in-house developers or plan to build custom integrations, ask vendors about their API offerings and developer support. Is there comprehensive documentation? Are there developer communities or support channels? Strong API and developer resources make it easier to extend the CRM's capabilities to fit your needs. Your business data is valuable. Ask vendors about data ownership and portability. Can you easily export your data if you decide to switch systems? Are there any restrictions or fees for data export? Ensuring you have control over your data protects your business and gives you flexibility for the future. Depending on your industry, compliance with regulations may be mandatory. Ask vendors about their compliance certifications, such as GDPR, HIPAA, or SOC 2. Request documentation and inquire about regular audits. This ensures the CRM meets legal requirements and protects your business from potential penalties. Data loss can be catastrophic. Ask vendors about their disaster recovery plans and backup procedures. How often is data backed up? Where are backups stored? What's the process for restoring data after an incident? A solid disaster recovery plan ensures your business can recover quickly from unexpected events. A strong user community can be a valuable resource. Ask vendors if they have forums, user groups, or online communities where customers can share tips and best practices. Access to a network of users can help you solve problems faster and discover creative ways to use the CRM. If your business operates globally, ask vendors about internationalization and localization support. Does the CRM offer multiple languages and currencies? Can it handle regional regulations and tax requirements? These features are essential for businesses with international teams or customers. Before committing, it's wise to test the CRM firsthand. Ask vendors if they offer a free trial or live demo. Use this opportunity to explore the features, test integrations, and assess usability. A trial period helps you make an informed decision and ensures the CRM meets your expectations. Hearing from other customers can provide valuable insights. Ask vendors for references or case studies from businesses similar to yours. Look for independent reviews and testimonials. Honest feedback from current users can reveal strengths and weaknesses that may not be obvious during a sales pitch. Understanding a vendor's future plans can help you gauge their commitment to innovation. Ask about their product roadmap and vision for the CRM. Are there upcoming features or major updates planned? A vendor with a clear vision is more likely to support your business as technology and market needs evolve. It's important to plan for the future, including the possibility of switching CRMs. Ask vendors about their exit strategy and data retrieval process. How easy is it to export your data? Are there any fees or restrictions? A clear exit strategy ensures you retain control of your information no matter what happens. If your team uses mobile devices, ask vendors about mobile device management, medium, features, Can you enforce security policies, remotely wipe data, or manage app permissions? MDM capabilities help protect sensitive information and ensure compliance, especially for remote or distributed teams. Monitoring system performance is vital for ongoing success. Ask vendors if their CRM includes performance monitoring tools. Can you track system health, usage, statistics, or error logs? These tools help you identify issues early and maintain optimal performance for your team. Not all businesses have in-house IT resources. Ask vendors if they offer customization support services. Can they help you tailor the CRM to your needs? Are there professional services or certified partners available? Access to expert support can make customization easier and more effective. Even the best CRM is only effective if your team uses it. Ask vendors about their strategies for driving user adoption. Do they provide change management resources, user guides, or incentives? High adoption rates ensure you get the most value from your investment. Accessibility is crucial for an inclusive workplace. Ask vendors about accessibility features in their CRM. Does the software support screen readers, keyboard navigation, or high contrast modes? Ensuring accessibility helps all team members use the CRM effectively, regardless of ability. Seeing real-world examples can clarify what's possible. Ask vendors to demonstrate workflow automation in action. Can they show how leads are assigned, follow-ups are triggered, or tasks are automated? Practical demonstrations help you visualize how the CRM can streamline your business processes. Timely notifications keep your team on track. Ask vendors about notification and alert features. Can users customize alerts for important events, tasks, or deadlines? Flexible notification settings help ensure nothing falls through the cracks and everyone stays informed. Effective collaboration is key to CRM success. Ask vendors about built-in collaboration tools, such as shared calendars, task assignments, or team messaging. These features help your team work together efficiently and keep everyone aligned on customer activities. Some CRM vendors offer a marketplace for add-ons and extensions. Ask about available add-ons and how they can enhance your CRM's functionality. Are there integrations for marketing, finance, or project management? Access to a marketplace allows you to expand your CRM as your needs change. A stable, reputable vendor is less likely to disappear or discontinue support. Ask about the vendor's history, financial stability, and reputation in the market. Look for awards, recognitions, or long-standing customer relationships. A reliable vendor is a safer, long-term partner for your business. Understanding the implementation timeline helps you plan for a smooth rollout. Ask vendors how long it typically takes to deploy their CRM from contract signing to full adoption. What are the key milestones and potential bottlenecks? A clear timeline sets expectations and helps you coordinate resources. After implementation, ongoing maintenance is vital. Ask vendors about their maintenance schedules, support for bug fixes, and how they handle system updates. Reliable maintenance ensures your CRM remains secure, up-to-date, and running smoothly for years to come. To ensure your investment pays off, ask vendors how to measure success and return on investment (ROI) with their CRM. Are there built-in tools for tracking, usage, adoption, and business outcomes? Understanding how to measure ROI helps you justify the investment and optimize your CRM strategy over time. Choosing the right CRM software is a journey that requires careful consideration and thorough questioning. By asking these key questions, you'll be well equipped to evaluate vendors and select a CRM that truly fits your business needs. Remember to prioritize your goals, involve your team in the decision-making process, and take advantage of demos or trials. With the right approach, your new CRM can become a powerful tool for growth and customer success.